Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. In this tutorial, we will study how to get data from HTML forms and display it on the browser. The PHP $_get and $_post variables are used to retrieve information from forms like user input. PHP form handling. The most important thing to notice when dealing with HTML forms and PHP is that any form element in an HTML page will automatically be available to your PHP scripts in get and post method. In PHP, the predefined $_get variable is used to collect values in a form with method is equal to get. Let's talk about this. Information sent from a form with the get method is visible to everyone. It will be displayed in the browser's address bar and has limits on the amount of information to send. Now, when to use this method get? When using method get in HTML forms, all variable names and values are displayed in the URL. So, this method should not be used when sending password or other sensitive information. However, because the variables are displayed in the URL, it is possible to bookmark the page. This can be useful in some cases. For very large variable, let's see one example for this get method. This is the HTML form action. This attribute contains the PHP file on which we are sending our data. Here method is equal to get, so we are using get method in this form. It contains two input values and then submit button. So when we click on submit, data will be sent to this PHP page. Let's see this PHP page. This is simple PHP page to get the data from the HTML form. We are using this $_get predefined variable. Here fname is the name of input field. Let's see the output. Open this get HTML form.html first, then write anything test and submit. So welcome test, you are 19 years old. Now let's see the post method. In PHP, the predefined post variable is used to collect values in a form with method is equal to post. An information sent from a form with the post method is invisible to others. This is main difference between get and post method. And the post method has no limits on the amount of information to send. However, there is an 8 MB maximum size for the post method by default, but you can change it into php.ini file in your SAMP. Now, when to use this post method? Information sent from a form with the post method is invisible to others and has no limits on the amount of information to send. However, because the variables are not displayed in the URL, it is not possible to bookmark the page. So, we can use it to send any sensitive information like password or anything. Let's see one example. This is HTML form with method is equal to post and the data will be sent to this PHP file. Now let's check this PHP file. Here we have used post predefined variable. Let's see the output. Here I want to show this. This is our get example, and in the URL all data is visible to the user. Now let's see the post method. Open.html, write anything like test, age, submit. This is the same output as we got in our get example, but look at this URL. So the data is invisible in URL in post method. Next, request. The PHP request variable is the predefined variable that contains both get, post and cookie. The request variable can be used to collect form data sent with both the get and post methods. Let's see one example. Here simple form with method post, and we are sending this data to this PHP file. This is our PHP file, and this is request variable, which is predefined PHP variable. Now let's check the output. Open.html file, write anything, test and submit. Okay, so there is no difference between any output.